Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful pumpkin pie without ever turning on your oven. We'll cover everything from crafting a simple, delicious crust to mixing up a rich, creamy pumpkin filling. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this easy, no-bake dessert that's perfect for any occasion. It's a fantastic way to enjoy the classic flavors of pumpkin pie with minimal effort. First, let's tackle the crust. You'll need about 1 1/2 cups of finely crushed graham cracker crumbs. Mix these thoroughly with 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Once combined, press this mixture firmly and evenly into a 9-inch pie dish. Make sure it's packed down well to form a solid base. Then, refrigerate your crust for at least 30 minutes to ensure it sets perfectly before adding the filling. Now for the star of the show, the creamy pumpkin filling. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree with 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk until smooth. Stir in 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic flavor. Finally, gently fold in 8 ounces of thawed whipped topping to create a light and airy texture. With your crust and filling ready, it's time to assemble. Carefully pour the pumpkin filling into your chilled graham cracker crust. Use a spatula to smooth the top evenly, creating a beautiful, flat surface. Now, the most important step, refrigerate your pie for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, until it's completely firm. Before serving, you can garnish it with extra whipped cream and a dash of cinnamon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.